Hi, Generic Gene here, alias Jady Davis, and I'm known for writing gaming books on the odds and strategies for games of chance, notably Lotto, blackjack, roulette, etc. I'll cover quickly here Lotto and a strategy that we put in together. When I say we, in concert with some mathematicians and the help of Lotto management in New South Wales back in 1980-81. They were so kindly to give me access to data in order to prove a theory that I had for a particular strategy. The interesting part about Lotto is that no, there is no way of picking 6 numbers and saying I'm going to make a fortune playing Lotto. If you're paid for a system that says yes, these are the numbers to fill out and you're going to win, forget it. You want your money back. It's just a waste of time. What we can do though, however, is that we can have a look at it, and assuming that people cross numbers 1 to 31 more frequently than numbers higher than 31. So 1 to 31 covers birth dates, anniversary dates, lucky numbers as a general rule, and people tend to use these numbers more frequently than other numbers for that obvious reason. And a concentration of these numbers, if some of them did come out in a division win, you would probably get a smaller return if you were using these numbers. But if you're using some numbers higher than 32, between 32-45 in the 1 to 45 numbered game, or a numbered game 1 to 49 as is available in some locations, if these numbers came out in your coupon, it is quite likely you would get a higher division return. So rather than get $15 or $25 back for a lower division one, if that was the payout, you may get 45 to say $50 odd. Now this is just rough figures, but it'll give you an idea of the concept. So to back up my theory, we'd worked this out back with in the 70s. Some mathematical people and myself, we sat down and discussed various games, and to put it to test, I had Lotto management in New South Wales in 1980-81 to run through 100,000 coupons, which they so kindly did, because in those days I was doing a column for one of the newspapers. And what this actually gave us, so that on the average coupon there are actually 10 game panels played, and that gave us a result of over 850,000 games played, between 850 and 1 million games played, to back up our theory. And what we did notice was there was a tendency to cross the numbers 1 to 31 more frequently than the others. So it did give us the statistics to work around and say, let's devise a strategy now and say that if we're going to play in the long term, let's have a go at shooting for some of these higher numbers. Now, we can't predict they're going to come out, but if they do, you may get a higher division return. So that gives you some insight of a strategy you can apply for Lotto. Thanks for viewing. Some more Lotto tips coming soon.